name's Mason, Pacific Lawn Sprinklers.
Hey, Mason, how are you?
Hanging in there. Here to start up your irrigation system for the year.
Okay.
Awesome. So a couple things I need from you. I do need to know where the controller is and where your water source is to where I can turn the water on to the irrigation system. No idea? Awesome. Well, normally the water meter is out by the street, so I'm going to check that out. And either your controller is normally in the garage or it's on the side of the house.
Before, though, right? You've been to my house a couple times, right? My wife's home.
Yeah, I've been here before. My notes are on my tablet. I left it in the truck. I could, easily locate it that way. I just didn't know if you knew off the top of your head. Would have made.
Yeah, I'm never home, man.
So. It's all right. It's all right. We'll get you figured out.
Don't waste my time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do your thing and let me know. I gotta go.
All right. You leaving the house? Or?
I got work to do. I'm a busy man.
All right, cool. I'm go ahead and get you started up.
You got it. Yep.
Alrighty, I'm gonna let you know what we found. Ran through your system. Everything looks good for the most part, except I did notice that you have a lot of water standing in this area over here on the side of your house.
Why?
I have yet to dig it up yet. I just wanted to let you know that you do have a large amount of water. So that's one issue I need to address for sure. And then two other issues, they're not broken, there's nothing wrong. I just would like to make some suggestions to you. I noticed that you have these two nice pots that have flowers on your front porch.
Man, my wife loves those.
Yeah, I was just wondering, how do you guys water those?
She breaks my bowls every morning. I gotta go out and water them by hand.
Oh man, that's not fun right there. Let me, I've got a solution for you to where you don't have to go out and water them ever again.
No, whatever it is, just do it. Just do it.
Whatever it is, you don't want to know the price?
Just do it.
Alrighty, so we'll take care of the pots for you. And then I noticed you have a couple mist heads throughout your property that are on the same zone as rotors. Now normally that's not an adequate way of doing things. They throw out different amounts of water through different durations of time. You want your rotors to be on one zone, you want your mist heads to be on another zone.
Okay.
There's nozzles we can put in those same little heads, and it allows it to be on the same zone
Just
as
do that
rotors.
too, don't worry about it.
Awesome. You got about 4 of them.
Yeah, don't worry
Take care of.
about it.
They're about 25
just
apiece.
No, just do it.
All
Just do it. Let me know what that line is there. I just had a new cable line installed into my house because I'm a trader online. Please, whatever you do, do not cut my internet access, otherwise this whole bill is going down your throat.
Sounds good. We'll get on it.
Okay.
Alrighty. I went ahead and put you in 2 emitters, 1 for each pot. I replaced all your 4 nozzles, replaced them to the multi-streams. Got your hole dug up over here. You mind coming out and checking this out for me? 'Cause it's a little extensive.
What's going on?
Alright. I noticed this cable line right here looks brand new.
Okay.
You see these black pipes down here? All straight line, cut.
Okay.
Right in line with that cable. Looks to me like you got a new cable line put in over the winter. Is that true?
Well, I had you guys come out last fall to mark all the heads out where everything was going to be. So I figured you guys marked everything so they wouldn't hit anything.
Okay. When we do that, we mark heads. There's no way to physically track these lateral lines, which is what is broken right here.
I told my wife to tell you guys to mark everything. I didn't want to pay for this.
There's no way for us to track these lateral lines. And if we were to mark them, you would have seen spray paint all over your yard.
That was last year. You could have spray painted. Now you're telling me not. I mean, I had work done in my house. I had a pool put in. They came, they marked my sewer, my water, my gas. They marked everything else. Why can't you mark that?
They don't have tracer wires running with them, as your main line does. Your main line will have a wire with it. We can track it through that. There's just physically no way to locate or to trace lateral lines. It doesn't happen. And when we came out to do that, it should have been notified that we only marked your main line, your valve boxes, and your sprinkler heads.
Well, I'm not too happy about that, but can I send this bill to AT&T?
You can give it a try. I can't guarantee you that they will accept it,
So just do all the work. Let's go. Let's wrap this up.
alrighty, just letting you know.
Okay, yeah,
Price
do
of
it. No
everything.
problem.
Yep.
Come back to me when you're done.
Alrighty.
Nice.
I know where I messed up.
I missed them a few times, but keep
Yeah.
going.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
No pressure. Come on, stay confident.
Yep.
Alright, sir. Everything's repaired. We could walk around and take a look at it if you'd like. If not, if you trust my work, I got your total up here on my tablet. We've got 5 leaks. and I cut you a little break. I charge you for 4 because I just did one hole. Everything was right there. You know, I didn't have to go chasing around, you know, digging all separate holes. So I knocked off one. I knocked off $48 for you.
Okay.
We got your service charge, the emitters that you see here that now water your plants, and then the multi-streams. So your total comes up to, with the service charge, $500.
Okay.
So how would you like to make that payment today?
I mean, the emitters are a little high, you never really told us the price, but you know what it is? I got all my info. Here's the AT&T recovery line. Listen, you submit the bill to them. They did a great job. See you later, all right? Take care.
Get them. Get them.
Hold on, sir. We do not go after other contractors on sending out billable work. It is the customer's, because it is the customer's responsibility to go after other independent contractors that might have damaged their system. We need, we're an operable business. We need to get our money for the work that we did. And since you are the one with the issue on paying, it is in your best interest to go after AT&T yourself in order to get your money back. Here, though, I will state for you that the damage was caused by AT&T.
So do me a favor, write that everything on that bill was done by AT&T, so this way I don't even have to pay for my new emitters, and I can get it free. I'll pay you now, and then I'll fight with them.
I can't do that, sir. I can only associate damage that AT&T did with that part of the repairs. The other part was options that you accepted in order for me to upgrade your irrigation system. There wasn't anything broken, but they were upgrades that you wanted me to do.
Yeah, well then just send me the bill, I'll fight with them, then I'll fight with your office, don't worry about it.
Awesome, sounds good. How would you like me to collect payment?
Yeah,
Cash,
just
credit?
Send me the bill, I'll fight with your office and then AT&T.
Alrighty. Do you mind signing this little this tablet for me?
Not sign anything.
I am.
Sorry, pal. It's not happening.
What do you do in that situation? I'm just gonna be honest.
What is it?
You did real good. You did real good. When they say shove the bill to somebody else, we don't do third-party billing.
That's what I was looking for.
Third-party billing means we don't go after anybody else. We only deal direct with the homeowner. Then the homeowner has to hand it out to whoever they want. You did a great job by him saying, hey, roll it all in, write it all down, that's AT&T's problem. Because what will happen is AT&T will freaking come out here. They'll take that bill and they'll actually have somebody come look at that. And then you'll be up shit's creek because now you're lying and everything, and now you tried to screw AT&T.
Unless.
So what you did was perfect.
Okay.
No, sir. I can only associate that, and that's the way we do it. We're an honest company. That's all we do. Now, you can say to him, look, I understand that you don't want to pay the bill today, but I did do the work. Let me show you that it was completed. If you can sign off just that I did the work, don't have to pay me. Don't have to pay me. Fight with I'm not here to fight. I'm here to get it done. Get the work done. Just sign that I did
Just so my
complete the
boss
work,
knows that the
and
work
that's
I
it.
did was
And
complete.
he knows that it was.
So me, I'm a little bit more secure. I'm not signing, you're not, although I'm signing on the work and the money, you're not putting it that way.
I didn't explain
I'm
it.
signing it off that the work is complete.
Just that the work is complete.
That's the way I put it.
Right, right. And I'll show you outside, I'll show you that the work was all done. You just signed that the work was complete. You want to fight with them about payment and stuff, that's up to you.
Go
I'm
right
here
ahead.
just to do the work. I'm a working guy. You know?
Well, you can see how that situation,
That shit happened.
this is.
I realized that.
Yeah.
It escalates quick.
Yeah.
And you didn't tell me how much emitters were, even though I told you, just do it, just do it, just do it.
No, tell them the price.
Oh, no matter
Yeah,
what.
because then later on, $22? Yeah, I thought you were gonna pull the old. I just went online. I'm a computer guy, I just went online.
I was thinking with so much shit, I didn't want to do
Yeah,
that all in one
those
shot.
stream nozzles, those stream nozzles are $350. Me,
What
That
brand
brand.
are you looking at for 350?
Rainbird.
Rainbird.
Yeah,
I got Hunter ones.
Those are only $450. Look at Amazon, they give you all of them.
yeah.
450. But see, you're paying you were to go get, if you were to go buy you a pack of nozzles at Lowe's or wherever, and then you go put them in yourself, let me know when you can when you adjust them.
It's just a
It's-
nozzle. I mean, I'm a pretty smart guy. I'm a cat.
Fucking nozzle.
Come on.
Yep.
I got a degree. Do you have a degree?
Lay it in.
Yeah.
Hey, you've been working all day, right, over there?
Yeah.
So you're worth some time.
Yeah.
How much time is it for you to pack up, stop what you're doing, go to Lowe's, go try to find the right thing, come back to your house, put them on, turn on the, run back and forth? What would you say that's about? Maybe about 2 hours of your time? Is 2 hours of your time worth the price, the difference, the price
Right.
difference?
You're right.
Boom. You So those are things just to use when